is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL 96 broadcasting on 162.475 MHz near Salem, Oregon. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service in Portland, Oregon. The current time is 8:03 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The following winter weather statement is for the following areas in Oregon: Cascades of Lane County, Cascades of Marion and Lynn counties, and North Oregon Cascades, and in Washington, South Washington Cascades. Winter weather advisory in effect from 1 p.m. Wednesday to 10 p.m. Thursday above 4,500 feet. What? Snow expected above 4,500 feet. From 4,500 feet to 5,000 feet, total snow accumulation up to 6 inches. Above 5,000 feet, total snow accumulations of 18 to 20 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? South Washington Cascades and the northern and central Cascades of Oregon. When? From 1 p.m. Wednesday to 10 p.m. Thursday. Impacts: travel could be very difficult to impossible. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches and reduce visibility with falling snow. Additional details: snow levels are hovering right around 4,500 to 5,000 feet, which is the elevation of the passes within the Cascades. Because of this, if snow levels drop below pass level, snow accumulation will be greater. There is less than a 10% chance of seeing greater than 12 inches of snow at pass level. Have a winter emergency driving kit readily available. Common items to include: flashlight, batteries, blankets, a shovel, water, non-perishable food items, tire chains, etc. Be aware that walking surfaces may be slick. Walk with extra care. For the latest road conditions and chain restrictions in Oregon, call 511 or visit www.shripcheck.com. For the latest road conditions and chain restrictions in Washington, visit wsdot.com/travel/real-time/map. This is a hydrologic outlook for the following areas in Oregon: Benton County, Lowlands, Cascade foothills of Marion and Lynn counties, central coast of Oregon, central Columbia River Gorge I-84 corridor, central Oregon Coast Range Lowlands, central Oregon Coast Range, Clackamas County Cascade foothills, Clatsop County Coast, East Central Willamette Valley, East Portland Metro, Inner Portland Metro, Lane County Cascade foothills, Lane County Lowlands, Lynn County Lowlands, Lower Columbia River, North Oregon Coast Range Lowlands, North Oregon Coast Range, Outer Southeast Portland Metro, Tillamook County Coast, Tualatin Valley, Upper Hood River Valley, West Central Willamette Valley, West Columbia River Gorge I-84 corridor, West Columbia River Gorge of Oregon above 500 feet, and West Hills and Chihuahua Mountains, and the following areas in Washington: Central Columbia River Gorge, SR-14, Cowlitz County Lowlands, East Clark County Lowlands, Inner Vancouver Metro, North Clark County Lowlands, South Washington Cascade foothills, South Washington Coast, West Columbia River Gorge, SR-14, Willapa and Waukegan Lowlands and Willapa Hills. Extended period of wet weather will lead to rises on rivers. A series of systems will bring an extended period of wet weather across northwest Oregon and southwest Washington through the weekend. This will lead to rises on rivers and creeks beginning Wednesday evening, December 25th through at least Sunday, December 29th. There is currently a 15 to 30% probability that rivers west of the Cascades will reach minor flood stage over the next 10 days, except for rivers in southwest Washington, which have less than a 5% chance. Heavy rainfall may also lead to ponding of water and localized urban flooding, especially in low-lying areas or other areas with poor drainage. Heavy rainfall will also increase the potential for landslides and debris flows in areas of steep terrain. The exact track of these upcoming storms will influence rainfall amounts, and thus the potential for flooding. Shifts in storm track can change the current outlook, so be sure to monitor weather.gov/Portland for the latest weather updates, as well as any watches, warnings, or advisories that may be issued. To view the latest river forecasts, visit water. NOAA Gov WFOPQR. Hourly weather observations at 7 p.m.